Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. Whether you're switching to another platform or simply taking a break from email marketing, knowing how to properly cancel or pause your subscription ensures you won't be charged unexpectedly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in with your Mailchimp account credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account dashboard. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon to open the account menu. This menu contains all the essential settings and account management options you'll need. From the expanded menu, click on Account and Billing. This section is where you manage all financial aspects of your Mailchimp account, including your subscription plan and payment methods. Under your account's overview, look for the Settings option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From here, click on Manage My Plan. This takes you to the page where you can make changes to your current subscription status. Now you'll see options for managing your account status. Mailchimp offers you two main choices here: pause or delete account. This flexibility allows you to choose the option that best suits your situation without forcing you into a permanent decision right away. If you want to temporarily stop billing without losing your account data, choose Pause Billing and confirm your selection. This option is ideal if you're taking a break, but plan to return to Mailchimp later. However, if you want to permanently cancel your subscription and remove your account entirely, choose Permanently Delete this account. After making your selection, you may be prompted to complete some follow-up steps for security purposes. For example, you might need to confirm your password to verify that it's really you making these changes to the account. If you've chosen to delete your account, Mailchimp will display warnings about data deletion. Read these carefully as they explain what information will be permanently removed. Once you understand the consequences, proceed with the deletion confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Mailchimp subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.